Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be creating this responsive website with Node Express, okay, and mongodb, because this data will actually be coming from database subsequently. So it's not going to be one video. I'm going to do a couple of videos. So if you just come into this channel, kindly like and subscribe and click the notification button so that if I release videos, okay, I have a lot of videos that will do you very much good. Okay, so kindly subscribe. So this is the website, the beautiful website. I'm going to be using Node Express MongoDB. Okay, so here is it, and then yeah, it's actually a beautiful design. Okay, you see, services, futures, blog, contact us. Okay, so without much waste of time, let's just jump straight right in. And like I said, this is going to be multiple video. This is like the introduction, okay, but we just have to spin up the Express server and all of that. Okay, so let's get in. So here is my empty folder. All right, so I'm going to create a file, server.js. Okay, so and then I'm going to do npm init. So you open your terminal and then you do npm init. I don't want to answer much questions, so I do -y. All right, cool. So we're going to install a couple of dependencies like Express and npm install Express. All right, .env. This going to be using it to load our environment variables. Okay, .env. I'm going to need mongoose. Not very urgent, though I'm going to use it, and then EJS. I'm going to use that's going to be the template engine. Okay, so EJS, let me do this. Okay, so it's installing. Okay, finish installing. So if you look at our package.json, we have our dependencies. Okay, so I'm going to, all right, so in this script I will say start, and then just go ahead and edit with me. Okay, so this is going to be node server.js. This is going to be the script we'll run when we are in the production, and then this will be when we are in development dev. So but I'm going to make use of a package called nodemon. So I'm going to use nodemon to start the server, but I don't have nodemon yet. I'm going to install nodemon npm install -d. This will be as a def dependencies. You're going to see a dependency